Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be reviewing and swatching out on my eyelids the new PSYCH Cosmetics Eyelights. Ignore the fact that my eyes look different. I applied different techniques on each eye in order for you to see the difference with how they look like as a topper over a shadow and by themselves. So if you want to see how they look like on my eyelids, then keep on watching. So while I was applying them on the eyes, I noticed that in order for them not to crease, you need to let them dry. And when you're taking them out, they're gonna feel a little bit rough on your eyes. So make sure to soak it really well with your eye makeup remover before you're going to rub your eyes, because it's going to be irritating your eye. Other than that, I absolutely love all the colors. I love how they apply. They are definitely waterproof and they are definitely long wears. Without rambling too much, I will let you enjoy this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!